So now you have completed the formation of quotation template in a smart looking manner. You would definitely want to use this over and over again to send quotations for your customer such that all your quotations look standardized and it gives a professional touch to your communication. Therefore, it is necessary to protect this format such that it does not get accidentally modified or deleted. How do we achieve that? Step number 1, we will save this file with a password. You go to file, either use the shortcut or go to file and select save as. Give the name to the file. So let's say quotation template, and you have to select more options. In this save window, go to tools, which is next to save, and select general option. Here you will be presented two options. One, password to open. Second, password to modify. Let's try both the options one by one and see the result. First, we will use password to open. So I'm going to enter a password and click OK and retype the password and click OK and save. Let me close this file and open this quotation template now. Since you have applied a password to open the file, it will ask for password before opening the file. And if you do not know the password, it is not going to open the file. So it is very important in this particular case to make sure that you remember the password. So I'm going to type the password and open the file. However, I would not recommend this particular method. This particular method is useful when you are applying password to confidential files which cannot be opened by anyone. In our case, when you are making templates, we will use the second option. So I'm going to go in file, save as, go to more options, go to tools, general options, and I'm going to remove this password and enter password for password to modify and say OK and click OK and save. It is going to ask the file already exists. Do I want to replace it? Yes. Now let me close this file and open it again. So let's assume that you want to create a quotation for a customer, ABC company. So I'm going to open my quotation template. It's going to ask me for password. However, this time it's a different method. I have an option to open as read only without entering the password. So enter password for write access or open read only. That means I should enter the password only if I wish to change the current file. Otherwise, I can open it as read only. So for all practical purposes, whenever you wish to make a quotation, you should open it as read only. And then first thing you need to do is save as. So when you see save as, you cannot even save the file as the same name. Quotation. Let me try to save the file as quotation template and see what happens. The quotation template already exists. Do you want to replace the file? Say OK. Cannot save as that name. The document was opened as read only. That means you will not be able to save this file without using the password. So you cannot accidentally erase it or accidentally modify the file. That is the reason we will use the password for modify only. And for the purpose of making quotation, we are going to change the name and we'll write ABC and save. Now if you see, there is no password attached to this particular file. How do we check that? Go to file, save as, more option, tools, general. There is no password in this file. So what have we done? We opened the quotation template. We saved the file as a specific name for that particular customer. You can even write the quotation reference over here so that in future you are looking through your folder, you can open that particular quote and we save without applying any password. So this is the method of saving templates or files which you do not wish to accidentally modify or delete.